Alright.
Oh, God.
He come with
No water.
I use some cream people take it and that's your main fruit.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm staying at home today. I ain't going nowhere. Staying at home. Have a lot of, not a lot, but it's more of a school work kind of day. Mom already did a live this morning, and I guess they're gonna record another video or so later or whatnot. But for me, well, that's for them, but for me specifically today, why am I just lick my chest so deep? Today is, for me specifically, it's a schoolwork day. I have some notes to read. I also have this assignment to start. It's due on Thursday, but I'm starting today so I can get a head start and get it done hopefully by Wednesday, or send it off on Thursday, one of the two. And what else do I have to do for school? I think I have like some oh, I have a class tonight at 8:30, social media class. And where's my out? I think I have some kind of research for the past something for one of these classes or one of these group works as well. So, and I also have to look at this group work. I was posted by my lecturer yesterday for my class yesterday. She said she posted group work, so I have to look at it to see the contents of it. It's not due now, it's our final assignment, but she's sending it off from now so that we can kind of have a little head start, I guess, which is good. But now may I wait for something to out for make my breakfast. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna wait on it. Should I start doing any little reading as yet? No, I want to eat something first. I think it's like after 9 or something now. I want to eat something first before I start my reading. So yeah, I'm gonna probably just like still, you know, scroll through, look at the assignment thing, and then while I wait on something to talk, to make my breakfast. By the way, I don't know if you guys can see really well. I hope I'm showing you properly. I have a mesh over my window, and I don't really want to open my window because we had a little bit of an issue with some insects. So I can't really open the window right now, or maybe I can, but I don't really know. If you can see clearly from right here, we are having a day of wind. It's not strong wind, but it's windy and also very overcast. Same thing for the other side. Well, the other side not so bad, but it's very overcast and windy today. Also, a lot of breeze blowing outside. I think they said that we're supposed to be having a cold front, which is true, and they're supposed to be having scattered showers as well, because last night randomly at about 9 o'clock, boom, rain start fall. And I hear it like it just came down so hard and then it like stopped after a couple minutes. But this morning we woke up with overcast skies, breeze, all of that stuff. So, and this morning my room was a little bit cooler than the norm, and I had to turn off my fan. But yeah, that's how our Monday is starting, but that's all right anyways. Okay guys, so I made some breakfast. I just made just a regular little ramen concoction that I normally make. That's what I made. I am going to eat, and then I start on my note taking thing. I'm just going to like go through the document because it's like 77 slides, but me not gonna do all of that today. Be realistic, but not gonna do all of that today. I'll do a couple slides, then I'm going to start this other assignment, just get a start on it, and then take a break and get back onto whatever else. I made like a little to-do list of things that I need to do today before my class later, by the way. So okay, so while I'm eating now, in the meantime, I'm gonna watch a little computer on charge. I'm gonna watch a little show while I'm eating, you know, just to keep my little company. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I get into the notes. I'm not writing, I am just going to hold on there. I'm not writing. All me I do literally is I have the document. All I'm doing is just highlighting important parts of the document, so when I time from like study and all of that type of stuff, I already have the highlighted documents and I don't need to be reading through it all over once again, because And I don't even think it makes sense for me there I do know what if I'm writing right now, because like it's not the case where I need to be doing a bunch of writing. It's the case where I need to read through it and piece through and like highlight the important bits of it. Like that's the most important part. So that's what I'm gonna do when I'm done eating. I'm gonna watch a show, eat, and then while I'm doing work, I'll get you guys a little snippet while I'm working and doing my thing. Once I take a break off of schoolwork, I don't know, I think what may I do? Absolutely nothing. Once I take a little break, just a little break, and then finish it up or continue later on, and then I have class at 8:30 today. I'm gonna try to see if I can vlog until 8:30 today before like going into class and stuff like that, because let me tell you something, them 8:30 classes, by the grace of God, I carry me through. Nothing else but that, nothing else but that, because it's so hard to have class at 8:30 in the night, but then waking up for a class at 7 a.m. in the morning isn't easy either, because though I have this 8:30 class tonight, I have a class on another day at 7 a.m. It is not easy to be going to bed at certain times and waking up for these classes. You have to wake up and fresh and be ready and all of these type of things. And I won't say it's my fault, it's just the way I planned out on the schedule of school. Like these were the best days for me. Cause the other day them I just didn't want to do any more 6:30 class. Like I never want to do no more night class. Plus specifically for this class, this course that I have, the 7 a.m. class, I didn't want to be doing anything at 6:30 in the night, so I chose the 7 a.m. one. So yeah, I gotta eat, watch my show, and then I go do my schoolwork. Guys, it is 2 o'clock. It's now 2. I started my assignment business around like after 12, look a bit after 12. So I finished 2 things. I started the assignment that I wanted to do, and I did some reading. So those 2 things are off of my to-do list for the day. I have a few more things to do. But it's not bad. So I'm taking my little break now. I'm just having some cake. Mom did some, not some. May I use my little laptop as my light right now because can't bother for something there. Learn something to type in. So having cake. Mom made cake yesterday. She did like this little chocolate cake that she was trying, and I'm having some. It is good. I had some yesterday. I had a slice yesterday. I'm having, well, 2, because it's like a bun cake, so it's not really that big. So that's what I'm having for my lunch, with some water in my cup. That's what I'm having. Anyways, my milk cake. I'll check back in with you guys. I'll check back in. Probably when I'm having dinner, or maybe when I'm nearing to go to class, because after I eat, take my little break, I'm just going back to reading. So yeah, I'm in my social media marketing class from 8:30 to like 10:30, around that. We're having some presentations each week. Like everybody comes in pairs, and we do presentations on different companies, doing social media presentations on the social media analysis on different companies. So we analyze them, and we bring the stats, and we do recommendations for them, and all the findings, background research, and all of that stuff. So that is what they are doing. I have my pair that I'm presenting with. Not tonight. I'm not present for now. It's already set out for the entire semester, so I'm not presenting for right now. But that's how we start off our classes each week, and then we get into the actual content of it. So we're having 2 groups tonight. This is the second one. And then we get into the actual like teaching of the class. So it's now, it's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock now, so I have like about an hour and a half left. We don't always go straight to 10:30 every single night. Some nights we do, some nights we don't, depending on just like how much information we have to go through in the class. We also already have all of the notes and everything, so we can read through and whatnot. So I normally just sit in class, I listen, any questions given I'll answer or so forth and such. But I normally just sit down and listen, and then watch back over my recording when I'm done, like at another day, or when I'm doing any schoolwork revision or stuff like that. I'm gonna read over my notes and whatnot. So that's what I'm doing tonight for class. After this, I'm gonna bathe and then go to bed. So I finished for class. Oh Jesus. I wasn't very talkative in class tonight. I could have been, but it's a very mood for talk. But every night I move for talking in the class then. But I just observed, set my notes, call it a day sometime. So I'm gonna do this hand mask here. I had one before, it was my mom's, and she never used it, and something told me try it. So I tried it, and it really worked. I have eczema, and because of my eczema, I have very dry hands because of said eczema. So this is, it comes in up here obviously like this, and you just, product is inside of it, so you just put your hands in there like so. Turn off the camera with this on my hand. So yeah, I have dry hands, and because of that I have to use a lot of moisturizers, a lot of things on my hands, and I've never really found something that truly works until I figured out the hand mask, and it seems like it works. So it's not an everyday thing. What I will probably do, since I know like they work for me, I'll get a couple of them online, so I just have them, you know, stacked up and ready to use. Would it smell nice here? We're not this sunflower seed, tea tree oil, shea butter, and aloe vera. These things are very good for your skin, hands, all of that stuff. Especially tea tree oil, shea butter, and aloe vera. Yes, very much so. So this gives like a lot of moisture to the hands, because it's a moisturizing hand mask. So yeah, because I have dry hands, I don't really have dry skin as much anymore though, but dry hands stick with me, and because of that I have never been able to really find anything to rectify that as yet. I've bought hand creams, I've used every other cream, I try oils, it just doesn't stick. But I realized it's just one, the nature of my hands in a way, but also there is something that can be used, you know, to just like kind of tone down the roughness sometimes. So the hand masks definitely work. After putting it on, you leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes to let all the moisture really soak into your hands and stuff, and then after that you just take it off and you're done. That's it. I made sure your hands are dry and whatnot, you know, before you put it on, and I really saw it work for me. So I'm gonna keep these on, and then after that moisturize my hands. But this is where I'm ending the vlog for tonight. I am trying to go to bed by 12:30. I don't have anything extra to do for the rest of the night, but I'm just gonna chill out, take some time for myself before I go to bed. I'm trying to wake up earlier, trying to go to bed earlier and wake up earlier nowadays. So like make it a little routine or habit, you know, because waking up, going to bed at these late hours and waking up another day is too much for me as a person. So I am trying to get back into a routine of going to bed a little bit earlier. So I'm gonna go to bed by that time. I'm gonna try my best to, well, not try my best, but I am gonna wake up by 6, you know, just take some time for myself in the morning, get some things done out of the way, and then get into the rest of the day. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. I'll also tell you if this one worked. The one that I used previously before, I didn't get to show you guys that one, but the one that I used previously before, it definitely worked. It was really nice and soft after I was done. So I'll tell you if this one works. If you guys have, you know, dry hands or eczema or anything like that, and the cream them and none of them something that you buy not work, you can try and invest in a hand mask, because it might help, because it's helped me, so maybe it can help you. Make sure you're not allergic to the things that are inside there, read the ingredients, do all of that stuff. If you want me to put the brand of the hand mask that I use, I'll put it on the description below if you guys are interested, so you can, you know, buy it. It's sold out here. I bought this in Fontana, by the way. I bought this in Fontana, so I guess you can get it at any like other pharmacies, because every pharmacy sell hand mask, foot mask, face mask, all of them stuff there. So you can get it in your pharmacies. I got it in Fontana, or if you want to buy it online, it is online as well, I'm sure. So if this works, I'm gonna look for some tonight and put them in my cart. But I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. Well, not morning, it's evening now, but I'm on the outside. I am gonna hang out some clothes this morning. I did some laundry pretty early, and I was like, you know what, let me take the opportunity and do it. The place is nice and, you know, bright out today. Last night rain did fall, very not fall, but it was kind of like drizzling a little bit, a little late-ish, so I was kind of skeptical. And then I woke up this morning and I thought it was a bit bleaky, but over time it started to clear up. So I said, take the opportunity, wash some clothes. So I had a lot of laundry to do, and because I had a lot to do, and the rain was falling and such, I didn't get to do them. So I'm taking the time now to get it done. I woke up today, I didn't wake up bad, I woke up around like 9. I didn't want to wake up 9, but that happened. So, but it is what it is, not a big deal. The breeze is very strong this morning, as you can see from the trees and stuff. It's really strong. So I still have some more schoolwork to do today. It's the same assignment from yesterday, but I had started, but I'm gonna try my best to see if I can do the final writing today, or at least start rewriting it. Because it's like an essay, so you know, you do your draft writing and then you go into the actual writing of it. So I did the draft. Now I'm going to go in and make my little touches, you know, and all of that stuff. I want to send it off by Wednesday. Today's Tuesday, as you know already. So I want to get it sent off by Wednesday. Or if I finish it today, I send it out tonight. Who knows? But it's due Thursday, so. Then I have another assignment, but that one is just a quick little discussion thingy that due Monday coming. But I kind of want to do them early so I can get them out of the way in case I have any extra stuff to do. So yeah, mom is gonna be doing some cleaning in the kitchen and whatnot, so when she's doing that, you guys will see her. Because I think she said she wanted to make some hamburger buns today, but I don't know with how like the weather is. It's not too hot, but the breeze is blowing, so I don't know if the yeast will work. But we'll see. So I'm just gonna hang out the rest of these once I'm done hanging them out, and once I'm done hanging them out, I think mom is gonna do her cleaning and bits, so she's who you will see next.
Hey guys, so I am here doing a little cleaning up and prepping. I'm gonna be doing a video with these. These are beef short ribs. Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to make it easier for when I'm ready to do the tutorial. So I'm like, basically, me I cut off them, some of them fat here, not all. Me I go and cut off some of these flap, because you want it with some of the fat, you know. Some of to keep it moist, but these are not fat. These are like so flabby. So I'm basically cleaning them up. Yeah, you know, taking off the excess flabby part. Yeah, I'm doing that. My girl is doing laundry, and when I'm finished, I am going to be tidying up this kitchen. So you see, I take off them flabby part here. You see them? Because these take a little time, you know, so you have to do these at a time. So you know, come on the tutorial, I do this and I hold up time. Nobody not really want to see I do this. Not true. You do a little part and you show them, that's fine. So you see that? These are what? And then you clean it up. And then I'm gonna take off some of the, do the same thing around the back here. I'm gonna take off some of this fat, but you want to leave back some on it. I'm gonna show you. You want to leave back some on it to have the moisture to how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna be making a tutorial for the cooking channel with this. So alright, so you know, so that little knife you want to sharpen, do that. Yeah, you have to sharpen it for me.
You trying the small one?
Yeah, the look paring knife. So basically, yeah, I can take off another little piece right here. So yeah, can take off this other little piece. Yeah, I think I have about 6 or 7 of them in there. So basically, this is how I want it to look. So may I continue and then wash them. All right. So okay, now fam, you see what I got off there? Like this heavy part, I wanted these off. So you see what they look like right now? Yeah, and don't mind. When I do the tutorial for the cooking channel, you will see beef short ribs. Yeah, you have to leave some fat on there to get it all, keep it, to let it keep moist, to do to how I am gonna be treating it. So I'm gonna use lime. I always prefer lime over vinegar on my meat. Yeah, I rub up each piece with my lime, and I can tell you that beef is one of the easiest meat to clean. It does, you know, doesn't require a lot of soaking in a vinegar and them something there. I really soak up my meat in that. I have my lime, so I'm gonna use the back, the rind part, and so I think it's only about, let me see, 3 to 6 pieces. So I'm gonna be washing this now. Putting them into my colander to drain, and then I'm just gonna put them in a Ziploc and put them. I just got them from the butcher's anyway, so I just gotta put them in a Ziploc when they're properly drained, and then they'll be ready for me when I'm ready to do the tutorial. I just move them from the freezer the night before, thaw them in the refrigerator, and then ready for the tutorial when I am. I'll drain, so I have my Ziploc. I'm just gonna put them in there. Yep. all ready, clean and nice. I really like how these look. Beef short ribs, and you can have pork short ribs too. Yeah, but comment and tell me if you prefer. You see how clean they are and nice. Yeah. So I have some liver here. When I did clean up at that time, because that just got my butchers and come. So I use this liver for maybe a live cooking. So I have some of my grounded seasoning. Yeah, so I'm glad when I see it. So I always ground, and sometimes you see me on the cooking channel, you see me grind up things and so leave back. So I have this leaf back. Pimento seed, coriander, fennel, and I think cloves. So I have them. Let me put salt already, don't? I hope so. So I go cut up the scallion then now. Season up my little liver, you know. You might want to put smoked paprika in it. So season up the liver here, so plastic wrap it, put it in the refrigerator, and then I start to tidy up the kitchen. Because you may be seeing this after. I'm gonna do a live cooking for this, and all the meat where you see me just do that, you're gonna see this. Well, I think you will see this vlog after the liver. You're gonna see that. No, I think you won't see the beef short ribs after. You will see this vlog before the beef short ribs. Yeah. You might put some fresh thyme, but I can't easily put that. So I'm going to mince up the little. Yeah, pure workless pepper. You know what I see? No, see, eh? Yeah, but no, but the camera can't get that come no more, so. Oh. Workless, no, sir. So when you're young and workless. Gonna ziplock this, put some plastic wrap on this. Alright, so see me there, all plastic wrap. Yeah, I'm gonna use it a few hours time. So I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. So guys, change of plans. Dad say I do the kitchen for me, and we just do the color low. So I just put some salt in my water there. Let me wash off my color look. Tell me how you cleanse your color look. Yes, so I'm literally in this strip it already still in us, so color was pretty clean though. My time some of them so dirty. I'm like to hold them up branch by branch. That's why I cannot buy the callaloo that is already cut and bagged. I can't buy it. Me like what my callaloo and wash it stalk by stalk. I I like to do that, so I'm not miss. That's it, oh, yeah. I not miss no sand or nothing on the leaf. You know them way there, so me like to my color. That's why when me can't make color, when me not have no color, I'm in the mood to make my color. But just do it. I'm not really fool with them. So. I'm long enough time and see how people treat color. And even from a small child coming up. Some people me used to live with here, me talk about all the while. When color nobody know what everybody want them to about color. Oh, David, come to the color, me like how you this. Me like how you that and do that. Oh boy, them days. But you know, it is what it is. Now I'm with my color in it. Some people have it to say. When the color have on the work for wormy leaf, then it good. Just wash it and cook it. That means you never have on a pesticide. Well, probably do that one and sitting, so. I make it drain the now. I put it in the colander here. So I put it in the bowl and make it drain off some more. My board is very clean. I need some cutting board. I have a big one there, but I do need some. I have some smaller one, but them all pack up in a places, but I get myself a few cutting boards. I honestly tell myself so I treat myself very early in this year to a few cutting boards. So I give it some time, make it drip dry. Not really feel it drip dry. Just let the excess water dry. And I'm gonna be using my same Foxel knife. I have a few knives on the way coming. Can't wait to try them. So may stay right, may make it stay and something there. See it a drip because it have a lot of water in there, is it? Yes, so. About another 10 minutes, I'm already ready for cut. Oh, put it down. I'm gonna start cutting my color. Sometimes them little one when I have like when I cut a whole heap. But I told that to get me two bundles, but him get one. Same never hear me say two. So I like callaloo though, you know, guys. It's my favorite green leafy vegetable. Yeah, callaloo is my favorite green leafy vegetable. Yeah, I'm gonna like my callaloo cut too. Hunk, you know, some people have cut hunk callaloo. Yeah, you see me? I don't like to hunk my callaloo. Said this callaloo, yeah, good callaloo. That always select good callaloo. And me ask the kids them to buy callaloo now, so not the right one. You see it? I don't like my callaloo chopped. I like my callaloo shredded. Look clean and nice, and sometimes somebody can not even know what kind of water them I use with the callaloo. The callaloo them raw. So you see, I have this here set here, and I am going to be continuing. And this is was one bundle, you know, and it was so big. Yeah, rain a fall and time cool now. So then now I feel one, so I stress we out with the callaloo. Now finish this, eh? So callaloo all done. One bundle after stripping, washing, and shredding, and that's it.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's now 3:37. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I picked up my clothes off the line and I had done another load, but I did towels instead, and they're out there drying. I'm gonna pick them up soon, and then that would really be it for the day. After this, I just have to I think I'm just gonna finish up my work tonight. I already started the draft of it, not the draft, the rewriting of the draft. I started already, and I have like maybe one more question to, you know, finish writing over, but so far it's okay. Mom is going to go on a live. That's why she was prepping and stuff like that with you guys. Yes, so that's it for our day today, really. After she goes on live, that's really it. I'm just gonna come back in my room and, you know, do the schoolwork and whatnot. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the, you know, little stuff, and I will see you guys in another video.